Hello, everyone, and welcome to part 4 on journaling for beginners. So, we have covered 3 days, part 3, and we have covered many things. So, today I'm covering a new topic. So, let's find out what is the topic of the day. So, today I'll tell you about gratitude journaling. Yes, many of you know about the gratitude journaling, but here is something more in that. So, let's figure it out what we have today, our mind map. The first thing is what is gratitude journaling? Then we'll cover gratitude journaling, the importance of that, then how to start that step by step guide, then prompts, and then tips to stay consistent. So let's start with the first one. What is gratitude journaling? Gratitude journaling is writing down for the things that you are grateful for. It can be anything, it can be clothes, house, air, water, things, family, friends, your life, your emotions, thankful God. Anything that you are grateful for comes under gratitude journal. So whenever you are writing related to gratefulness, that comes, the journal is called the gratitude journal. The second thing, a simple practice that shifts focus from lack to abundance. It's a practice, like many times we feel that we are missing out something, we are a lack of something, but when you start writing related to what all the things that you have in your life, you will feel abundant. So that is why everyone recommends that they should write at least gratitude journal. The third one helps in developing a positive mindset and emotional resilience. Yes, once you start thinking about that you are grateful for so many things, you'll feel positive, you'll feel resilient, you'll feel that yes, I can do anything. So that is the thing, that what it is, what the gratitude journal is. The second thing, why we should need the gratitude journal, why it is important. The first thing, it boosts happiness and emotional well-being. When we think that yes, we are having abundance in our life, it gives us joy, it gives us strength, it gives us that fulfillment, the feeling of fulfillment. We are feeling that okay, yes, we are having a standard in our life. So many things comes, all the positive emotions comes when you start writing about what you are grateful for. The second thing, reduce stress and anxiety. When you are feeling that you are grateful for, automatically reduce the stress and anxiety, because now you're focusing all the negative points shifted to the positive one. Like, you are not focusing on the negative part, you are focusing what you already have, what are you are grateful for. So there are many things. If you find, like, if I want to say, like, yes, I have a laptop, I have a phone, I am able to showcase what I want to be, I am thankful for the people who are watching my video. So yes, there are many things that you are grateful for. The third, why it is important, helps rewire the brain for positivity. Yes, when you start feeling grateful for, your brains will also focus on the positive parts, because then you are constantly feeding the positive things in your mind and the brain rewires it. The negative feeling will keep on going blur. I'm not saying that they are totally disappear, they're going blur, because now you're focusing and you're thinking more and more about positive words. Fourth one, improve relationships by fostering appreciation. If someone appreciate you for whatever you are doing for them, related to, if you are a wife and you are doing so many things for your husband, and if you are a male, you are doing so many things related to earning money, helping family in different ways, spending time with your spouse, spending time with your kids, and if someone appreciate you, it will give you a boost, it will give you a sense of satisfaction. That is what gratitude is. So it improves the relationships by fostering appreciation, because you are thanking to someone, and if it is you are thanking to a person, then your relationship will also improve. The fifth one is encourages mindfulness and present moment awareness. You are thankful for all those things and you're focusing, like, yes, today I am in this stage. Today I am having so many things in my life. Today I have a family, if I have a partner, I have friends, I have so many things in my house, I have so many gadgets, I have a standard of life, so many things. So that is what you are mindful about today, what you are having today. So that is why gratitude journaling is important. Then comes up to step by step how we can start writing gratitude journal. So the first thing that I share every time, pick a journal. Even it is a physical one or a digital one, whichever suitable for you, you can start working for that. Use it as a journal. Then second is a timer. Set a timer for yourself when you are going to start, when you're going to write. It can be in the morning, it can be in the night, depending upon what's your situation, when are you able to write. So set a daily timer. Mornings will help you to have a flow of positivity throughout your day. If you are going to write journal in night, it is helpful to stay calm before sleep. So it will, then you are reflecting all your thoughts, and then once you're done with the journal, you will feel very calm, relaxed, and then your night will be also good, so that once you start writing, you will feel that okay, now throughout the night I am also feeling calm. The third point, write 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for. So whatever it is, big, small, no matter, write 3 to 5 things. The more you write, the more you feel grateful, because we have many things. You can write that you are grateful for which person today, which memory, place, or whatever the thing, like place, name, thing, you can write in this way. So every day you will write 3 things. Number fourth, be specific in the sense that instead of writing, I am grateful for my family, why you are grateful for your family. What is the reason? Try, I am grateful for the fun conversation with my mom today. So always think about the why you are grateful for. Then it is more sensible. I am grateful for my husband. Why? Because he is giving me the respect, for the love and care, for the relationship that we are sharing, for all those things that he done to me. So all those things I am grateful for my partner. So you can write in this way. And the fifth one and the last one is reflect on the feeling. Notice how gratitude makes you feel at the end. Once you write all those things, find out that okay, now I write all those things, how I am feeling right now. Am I feeling good? Am I feeling excited? Am I feeling full of joy? Am I feeling abundant? What all the feelings that you are having, focus on that, reflect on that. So here we cover the 3 parts. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, that is Richa Goel, and hit the bell icon, so that every time I put a new video, you'll able to find out. Plus your subscription, it will also motivate me to do more. In the comment section, like what is working for you, what is not, I'm able to improve that. So that is why I asked it, follow me. Okay. And the fourth one is prompts to make gratitude journal easy. So how we can make the gratitude journal easy? What are the prompts? Like if you are doing gratitude journal, you know many things, but if you are not, let me help you in this part. The first one is what made me smile today. Think on that way ki what makes you smile, and write on that, write about it. The second one is who helped me recently and how. Focus on how the person helped you and who is the person. Think about the person and how he helped you. The third one, what do I love about my surroundings? These are the prompts, but there are many other prompts. Here are the few. If you don't know, like, what should I write? You can write about your surroundings. Why you are grateful for that? What do I love about my surroundings? The fourth one, what personal quality am I grateful for in myself? What all the qualities that I have in me, and for them I am grateful for. What all the qualities? So think about that what qualities do you have and why you are grateful for that. Okay. And the fifth one is what is one small but meaningful moment I enjoy today. Think about the one moment, one tiny moment, and it is meaningful for you. It can be of any way. Someone person help someone else, someone talked about good stuff, someone appreciate you, see a child is smiling, laughing, anything, or a person smile to you. It can be anything, and why it is meaningful to you, and you just have to write about that. So these are the prompts for make gratitude journal easy. And now we'll come to the last part. Tips. How we stay consistent for writing a gratitude journal. So the first part is attached to an existing habit. Like after breakfast, before bed, it can be anything depending upon your scenario, depending upon your routine, depending upon how you want to include gratitude journal in your daily life. In the morning, if you are doing meditation, you can write gratitude journal after that, or write journal first and then you can meditate. Like, I am feeling very high, now I want to meditate. Or at night, like a kind of a reflection, like if you are sitting and reading a book, then you can write a gratitude journal. So it's up to you how you can introduce gratitude journal in your daily routine. I suggest that add journaling with an existing habit. So it will make you more accountable. The second one is keep your journal visible, in the sense beside table, desk, or when you are able to reach. Why? Because if you are writing gratitude journal, and the motto of the gratitude journal is to feel positive, to feel the abundant in your life. And if you write a gratitude journal and you just put it in your cupboard, and there is also many things and the gratitude journal is in the corner, if you're feeling low and if you're not able to see, you start feeling more and more in negative feeling. So it is mandatory that you just put the gratitude journal in front of you in any place that you are able to reach. Whenever you are feeling low, you can write the previous things you can about you're feeling gratitude for, or you can revisit the previous journal entries to give you a boost, to give you the confidence. The third one is use voice note if writing feels hard. I also share earlier that if you are not able to write, you can also record your voice as a voice note. You can record yourself in a video format. You can use audio journaling, video journaling, whatever suits you if you are not very keen to write. Okay, so use any of the other medium as well. And the fourth one is reread past entries to see how gratitude has grown. So if you are writing gratitude journal, for example, say for 1 month, try to include new things every time. Though you are grateful for many things, but try to include more. Some incident happened and you are grateful for that. Some you learn new skills, you are grateful for that. You encounter a kindness of act, you are grateful for that. So once you revisit the past entries, you'll feel like, okay, now I'm grateful for this much things and now I'm grateful for more things. So this is why you evolve through the gratitude journal. This is the thing that we cover today about gratitude journaling, that what it is, why should we write, how can we write, the prompts, and the tips to stay consistent. So if you're having any sort of confusion related to gratitude journaling or any sort of journaling, you can connect with me. And if you want to know more about journaling, you can comment journaling, you can join my membership, which is 499 for the 6 months. And there we'll have every month different theme and we'll work on different themes. So like every week we'll connect every Monday on at 4 p.m. So 4 times a week, every time we'll have new prompts, think new prompts and work on that. See you again. Take care and bye-bye.